These engines can be good in a car where you need to racing cars, zoom, initial and boom. And these are going to be good with cars like people like us, family man. We don't need, we're poor people. We need to save money. So we don't need power. We need to save money, economical. So give us exhaust gas turbocharger. Guys, let's start with supercharger and a turbocharger. One is a turbine given out here. You see, I have made an exhaust gas manifold I have discussed earlier. Exhaust from number 1 unit, number 2 unit, number 3, number 4, number 5 or number 6 unit comes into an exhaust gas manifold. From here, this common manifold, it goes and strikes a turbine and then moves ahead. When this strikes a turbine, the nozzles, the turbine starts rotating. The turbine starts rotating, it is connected to a shaft, the shaft also rotates, and then this shaft is further connected to a blower, a centrifugal blower, right? So it sucks in air, pressurizes it and sends it into the engine. Now what happens over here, guys? Out over here. The best part of this turbocharger system is that exhaust gas is being utilized, which was of no use to us. So we have managed to use something which was of no use to us and still have managed to create more power. Anyways, very economical. Thermal efficiency of the whole system increases. So you consume less fuel, you spend less money for the same distance. That is why this is fitted on all the main engines on ship. I hope you have liked this video and you want more to know. Are you ready to invest? Then if you are a GME aspirant, invest on GME Excellence Package. It will change your life around. Get selected. If you are doing BTech Marine Engineering and worried about campus placement, buy our BTech Excellence Package. If you are a junior engineer about to go on ship, use our Junior Engineering Excellence Package. MEO class for aspirant, buy our MEO class for Excellence Package. They will change your life around. Use Engine 50 coupon code and get flat 50% off right now. ये आपकी जिंदगी बदल देंगे क्योंकि नॉलेज यहीं पर है. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. हाँ, वीडियो एंड तक देखिए प्लीज. But every system has some negatives. The negative with this system is that in the initial phase when the engine is just starting, there is hardly any exhaust gas. So this turbocharger does not rotate like very slowly, say 1 RPM, 2 RPM. It is slowly, with the time when you increase the RPM, then slowly this picks up. So during that time, when this is not picking up the RPM, the engine is not having enough scavenge pressure, so we cannot put enough fuel into it. Otherwise, improper combustion will be there. So we have to go slow. You guys understanding what I mean to say? Ekdam se we can't increase fuel, because we increase fuel, there is hardly any scavenge pressure, there will be incomplete combustion. So it will be a little bit slow process, but thermal efficiency increases. Now let's talk about supercharged engines. Out here, this is an engine rotating, a crankshaft is connected, this is a propeller. Now this I want to say, suppose this is also main engine on ship. This is a crankshaft and the propeller is turning out here. And now with the belt driven, we have connected a shaft which has got a blower over here. No turbine, nothing. With the shaft it is connected out here. Guys, that means when the engine starts turning, immediately the blower also starts turning. So now imagine out here, just during while starting only give full kick. That means engine will get full RPM. Accordingly, it will also rotate full RPM. And immediately will give the required scavenge pressure. That means to say, this engine is highly effective when you increase the RPM, decrease the RPM. Especially when starting, when you need speed, you need a supercharged engine. So for all those cars where you need an engine which gives you instant power immediately, 500 meters in 10 seconds or whatever the speed they say, instant torque, instant power, you need a supercharged engine, right? But the problem with this engine is that 30 to 35% of the energy or or the power which is available out here is lost by the supercharged engines. So basically your thermal efficiency decreases. The amount of fuel that you are burning, out of that only 35% of the work done is being utilized again. So what does that mean? These engines will never give you very good efficiency. These engines can be good in a car where you need to racing cars, zoom, initial and boom. And these are going to be good with cars like people like us, family man. We don't need, we're poor people. We need to save money. So we don't need power, we need to save money, economical. So give us exhaust gas turbocharger. Right guys? But if a young person like you comes, oh I am not bothered, I am a rich man's son, I am not bothered with economy, I need to show up to my friends, I need a car which gives me instant power, I race them with them and move ahead. This is your supercharged business. Copy it guys? I think so. I have explained with a lot of humor in between and it should be understandable. Thank you very much.